Finding Pokemon cards in stock has become a bit of a challenge lately. While many retailers frequently sell out or have limited availability, my nearby Walgreens stores consistently have Pokemon products on hand. I've been able to place orders for pickup and have them ready within just a few hours, which is incredibly convenient. The Pokemon 2-pack Blister packs I picked up are priced at $12.99, which breaks down to about $6.50 per booster pack. While this is slightly above the typical MSRP, it's still a reasonable price, considering how difficult it can be to find cards elsewhere. Given the current market, I find the markup totally acceptable. Each blister pack comes with 2 booster packs, 1 promo card, and a metallic coin. In my case, the 2 booster packs included were Mega Evolution and Phantasmal Flames. Both are very good packs and offer a chance at pulling rare or visually striking cards. Apart from the blister packs, I also bought a few tins here with 3 booster packs inside. Walgreens allows me to buy Pokemon cards easily, and I can continue enjoying the hobby without the usual hassle of hunting down cards.